Good morning on a winter morning in northwest Kansas. Everything is frozen. Sun is out, but it's kind of overcast, and it's about 21 degrees. Let's go open up the dome. And we're ready to go inside. It's chilly out here. Let's see what the dome says. Instantly, my glasses fog up. The upper fans aren't on yet. Right here we have Moringa growing. You'll see in the background beets. There's baby radishes coming up. I believe this is collards around the Moringas. There's a mint plant, Geranium, Aloe Vera, Christmas cactus, potatoes. Potatoes love the dome. And I'll come in and show you what the temperature is first thing in the morning. The tallest moringas there were transplanted from outdoors this fall before we got our hard freeze the day before. The biggest one here is still has flowers on the very top. The center of the dome is the most stable, and it is an amazing structure. I have a temperature here on this pole. I'll show you the temperature inside the dome right now is a little over 40 degrees. And little cherry tomatoes still growing. Time to feed the goldfish.